One of the most exciting upgrades for iOS 27 is a completely enhanced camera experience powered by Apple Intelligence. And honestly, this could change the way many people use their iPhone camera every day. The biggest addition is the new camera and Siri integration. However, after updating to iOS 27, you may not to see the Siri camera feature right away. If that's the case, go to Settings, then open Siri and make sure the new Siri experience is enabled. Then return to the camera app and the new Siri feature should appear. Once it's available, you can use it almost like magic. For example, if you point your camera at a food item, Siri can identify it and even help you find recipes. If you are looking at a product, Siri may be able to provide useful information and more. Inside the camera app, you will now be able to access options like read and level directly from the camera interface. That means you won't have to leave the camera app and dig through settings every time you want to turn this feature on or off. These updates may seem small, but they can make a big difference for anyone who takes photos regularly, making the camera app faster, smarter, and much more convenient to use. And that's it. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till the end.